What up, Roy? Roy Nines here, Roy Masters Floor Cleaning Services. So we just finished up. We did the wax removal, did the screen and recoat, put a satin finish, natural hardwood floors. Came out fantastic. Results speak for themselves. Always great. We love what we do. Did I tell you that? The owner saw it. He's amazed. He loves it. He called around, spoke to a few different companies. One of them said they knew what they were doing, upsell them, whatever. So we're here, and we did what we know how to do, which is perfection, and we brought back these floors. So thank you for watching. 210-324-1622. Roy Masters Floor Cleaning Services. Let's go check it out.